Alright, my helmet's equipped with the mic system and the next video is about that. So please stay tuned if you guys want to know that. And the rest is all here. I'm wearing my gloves, my GoPro's charged, my jacket's here, and my boots are on. It's time to ride. Let's ride. Jumped on my GT, didn't wash it because once I get back from my ride I'm gonna wash it and polish it. One of my subscribers wants to join me to do that. He loved my video doing that, so we're gonna shine it together. And cold start. Yo baby, it's rock and roll. Alright, I need fuel. I just have 2 bars, so I think I'll put some fuel. Yep, so it's exactly 550 or 555. Yep, it's 555 and I'm look at my building, how well lit up this is, right? Alright guys, sorry of this wind noise. My visor is not completely shut because of the strap, and that's why I need a chin mount. Unfortunately I don't have the perp mount. I've used it on my other helmet, but I think I'm going to purchase that soon. So well, yeah, as you guys can see, Yash is riding pretty decent. He's at 80, 85, 90 with a kid with him. Don't exactly know where my friends are, and then I actually told them to meet me directly at Dahisar Cheknaka. And trust me guys, it's cold. You won't be, and I knew it'll be cold because this season every year I start riding, so I know how the temperature fluctuates, and that's why I'm wearing a lining. And yeah, so far so smooth, and this engine is really nice. It feels so good, man. All the mechanical engineering under your ass, you know, it's like freaking amazing. I love this feeling of riding in the morning, the wind. This is a perfect time. Around 6:37 is what I like, because there is a little bit of light and the temperature is good to ride. Otherwise it's hot as hell. We all know how Mumbai is. And I've put fuel, so I have put 500 rupees worth fuel. So this gives me an average of around 28 to 30 max. A lot of questions were asked on my channel that how much does your GT give average? 28 or 30 max. When I went to Goa, it gave me around 30 on the highway because it was a smooth flow. And look at this beat, guys. I'm at the top gear, I'm at 80, pulling it on a bridge. Look at that feel. Look at that thump, man. This is why I love this GT, man. The guy Nishat, who's joining me, his friend was riding his GT and he crashed yesterday. So he has a dent on his tank. I'll be checking that out because he wants me to see if he can claim that in the insurance. Yes, he can do that if it's a big damage, and if he has evidence, he can do that, but it's a long process. Alright, so reached Dahisar Cheknaka. Yep, that's a GT. That's Nishat's bike. I can see Sohail as well. And what's happening? So that's Sahil, as you guys met him at the subscribers meet. And Sahil got a new Rhinox jacket, and Sahil's got a new Rhinox jacket, and that's his bike. Nahin. And Nishat GT is ready to rock. That's the one which crashed. We'll check what happened with it later on. Let's go, let's ride, and let's have some fun. I'm about to do a video about how to ride. Basically everyone knows how to do that, but there are few people who ask me to do that. How to follow discipline, lane discipline, signs and everything. We use a lot of signs. I think every bulleter knows how to use signs. When a speed breaker is there, we do this, and when there is a ditch, we just inform the rider behind. So there are a lot of rules and regulations we need to follow when we are especially riding together as buddies. We always keep checking the rear view mirror that the guy behind is there. We keep our lights on so that we can recognize the bike behind us, that it's part of our group. Alright, so we've reached near the Fountain restaurant, the Fountain Hotel, which is always a rendezvous. And check this out, this is the biggest problem here now. We're gonna get a lot of traffic and we are screwed. This is the problem, the one way. So if we would have left at 5 in the morning, we would have crossed this junction by 6. It would have been a little better. Friends, cleared that big clog at the Fountain. So guys who are doing NH8, please note, try to leave early because the Fountain Hotel area is jammed as hell. But it's cool now. We've just crossed it, and I think Manor is 60 kilometers from here now. That's where we are going. That's where Silver Miles is. The sun has risen, my friends, and I feel good. That's the most weird part about Mumbai rides, okay guys? If you all are not from Mumbai, hear me out. What I'm trying to say is that if you leave very early, you need to be wearing something like a thermal inside or some kind of a jacket so you don't feel that cold. And on the way back, you're gonna sweat the hell out because it's gonna be freaking 40 degrees. So that's a drawback of Mumbai rides, and that's why we try to leave as soon as possible, even before sunrise, so that we can enjoy the ride, enjoy the cool breeze rather than the sweat and the heat which we face in Mumbai a lot. We're going to Silver Miles and been there around 15 to 20 times, I guess, easily. I've been riding to Silver Miles from 2010 onwards. Yep, that's when I got my first Classic. Feels like heaven, guys. Man, I'm so happy that the riding season is on. I am looking forward. You know what? Forget everything. I'm gonna ride every freaking Sunday. What say? Yeah! Every Sunday, a nice ride. Kid is hanging on well. I'm sure he's freezing, but he's very cute kid. So that's the story, guys, right in front of you. A father and son on a Bullet 500 heading for a breakfast on a Diwali morning. Amazing, right? That's what life is all about. Good times, fun times. Life should be fun. Whatever makes you happy. Sahil going on his 350 white. We have Nishat on the Continental GT, and we have so 4 riders and torpedo guns and a car next to me. Let's zip now. Doing 110. Yep guys, that's 110. Right now I'm speeding to 110, 115, and I got a curve, so slowing down. See the fog? Who says only Lonavala has fog? And it gets cold. And Silver Miles is somewhere here, and check this out, guys. This is what we ride for. Freezing, feeling crazy. I need a hot cup of coffee. Can you imagine such a place, a coffee day? Yes, Silver Miles has its own coffee day. Yeah, that's the best part. So I am not an instant coffee lover, so I'll be going to Coffee Day, and that's where Silver Miles is. Alright, here we are. Right, boys, welcome to Silver Miles, and they have their own coffee day which starts 4 in the morning. Can you imagine? 4 o'clock coffee boost. How was the ride, guys? Freezing, right? Yeah, boy, dude, you are gonna be a rider for sure. Definitely. Oh yeah, knees are cramped, right? Knees are frozen. Just like, you know, the best thing is to squat. The best thing after a ride is to squat. Trust me. Always do this. It'll immediately circulate the blood. Immediately. So always squat after a ride. You'll feel really good.
Alright guys, so we are here at Silver Miles. Everyone's checking Yash's bike, and I have to show you guys what he's done to his motorcycle. Okay, I really like this. Check this out.
My dad bought a tank bag with this pure leather, and I love this old school watch.
Nice. So guys, Yash has put a tank bag, basically a mini pouch. I had seen this in India Bike Week. It's pretty cool. It's really pure leather. The only thing is, I wish they had straps so that you could remove it and just wear it on, but they don't have that. And check this out. He's put this classic Royal Enfield clock on his bike. Looks dope. So I think he's really done his bike nice with a great helmet. And riders talking about their bikes, and I think he's talking about his crash, and let's check that out. Kansha, how was your pillion riding?
Oh, I felt amazing. I love this weather, so I was waiting for it.
Inform these guys that there's a coffee day here, and that was gonna be a surprise, so I just did that, and they're very happy because we can have nice brewed coffee after our breakfast. So first we'll hit there and have breakfast, and then we'll have our coffees. So let's go and let's have some breakfast. Look at the view, guys. It's pretty cool. It's a little foggy, but it's fun. And I think all riders should come to Silver Miles. I've been coming here since 2010, and it's worth coming here, guys. It's peaceful, it's nice. Enjoy your coffee, take your time, and ride back easy and smooth. I'm so happy. Happy Diwali once again, guys. Guys, just see the view from this nice little resort. It's amazing. This is where they are. Guys, check this out. Alright, this kid, he has a Thunderbird watch. Check it out. Alright guys, how was the ride so far?
The ride was really great climate.
Did you all feel cold?
Amazing breakfast.
Value
for money.
Yeah, it's 110 rupees breakfast. You guys saw what we ate. It's unlimited breakfast, so it's fun. And now we're just heading to coffee day and having coffee. Helmet Club and coffee. Today I'm having Americano, and check those boots out, yo. Oh, you don't have any boots. Partners in crime. Alright guys, so we're heading back. We've had coffee, and Nishad was with some weird insect with him, and he gave a piggyback from Andheri till Manor. Stuff was on this guy's jacket all the way he was riding. This guy rode with us. Antennas, man. This guy came with Nishad all the way from Andheri. So now we're heading back and gearing up. Coffee's done. Refueled. Feel fresh. I'll be enjoying this ride back. I always like the ride back, and it'll be fun. And check the little master gearing up. There you go.
Alright friends, it was an awesome breakfast, and it's quite late. It's 9:20. We chilled out a lot, and this is the subway which takes you on the other side. And that's the sound in a tunnel. This is the road anybody would like to go, like vroom. Yo. And there's a McDonald's, McCafe here. It was not there earlier, it's opened up. So guys who want to chill, McCafe is pretty good coffee. I thought Akansha would be tired, but she's not. She's handling pretty well being a pillion. And I'm not very fond of, being very honest, I don't like pillion riding. I mean, myself being a pillion as well as someone else sitting with me, because I have to be careful. I don't have to only think about my life then. I have to think of the person's life sitting behind also, you know. So that becomes an added responsibility when you're riding. I'm talking on a very practical perspective, guys. Nothing personal here. Sports bikes in action. Alright guys, I have reached Goregaon Link Road. So I am like 15 minutes away from my house. Yes, and it's 10:30 exact if you've seen my watch. Alright guys, so that's Infinity Mall. That's like 5 minutes from my house, and that's the Starbucks I always go to. Sometimes you guys might find few Instagram pictures or posts from that Starbucks. That's where I edit some videos, some at Love and Latte, some at my house. So yeah, I like going to cafes. I have a cafe racer, so I like going to cafe, and I'm coffeeholic big time. And you know what, bikes never have a parking issue, but for a change today there is parking even for a car. Bam! All right, ride's over. And Akansha, how do you feel? Akansha is not used to helmets and stuff. How do you feel, Akansha? What's going on?
I did not want it to come back.
Yeah?
Yeah, the weather was so good.
Weather was good there. Here it sucks.
No, it feels very hot here.
Yeah, it's very hot here. She's right. And it is extremely hot. Actually removing this jacket of mine, in which I am at 55 degrees melting pot. Oof. And now I'm out of it, and well, it was a good ride, completely comfortable, no body ache at all. Just heading to Starbucks. Okay, and oof. ये पहचान भी नहीं रही मुझे.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wish you again a happy Diwali, and to your family. Please spend time with your loved ones, spend time with your family, and have rocking Diwali with lot of sweets and enjoy. And And as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj.